In this lecture, I will show you free and open source forensics tools. There are many free and open source code digital forensics tools. A few come with rich features similar to the commercial suites. So while the majority are small tools built to perform a specific function, for example, retrieve browser history or extract the email header information. In this lecture, we will list the most popular free and open source digital forensics tools. The first tool I want to start is AutoSpy. So AutoPsy. So this is the AutoPsy. This is digital forensics tools. So AutoSpy is a premier end-to-end open source digital forensics platform built by basic technology with the core features you expect in commercial forensics tools. AutoSpy is a fast, robust, and efficient hard drive investigation solutions that evolves with your needs. Actually, in Kali Linux, we have AutoPsy defaultly here. I will enter my Kali password here, and as you can see here, AutoSpy is started. So actually, I don't want it to exit from AutoSpy, so let's start AutoPsy. See here, and our password. As you can see, there's the AutoPsy, but in Windows, AutoPsy is more dedicated and more feature rich. As you can see, we can open first case, new case. So we will test, and we will do practical examples and practical investigations with all of these application that I will tell in this lecture. So we have this sleuth kit here, so the sleuth kit here. So let's open this. This sleuth kit is actually AutoPsy as well, but this is the company that produced AutoPsy, and we have magnet RAM capture here. This is the magnet RAM capture. This is actually a Windows tool here. So this is for capturing RAMs. So capture is a free imaging tool designed to capture the physical memory of a suspect's computer, allowing investigators to recover and analyze valuable artifacts that are often only found in memory. Magnet RAM capture has a small memory footprint, meaning investigations can run the tool while minimizing the data is overwritten in memory. You can export captured memory data in RAW, so you can actually, we will do a practical example with magnet RAM capture. So we will do all of these tools, practical examples and practical digital forensic investigations. So this is, as you can see, DMP, RAW, and BEAM format, and easily upload into leading analysis tools, including Magnet, Axiom, and Magnet. This is the not free. This is actually paid versions of Magnet. And we have DD for Windows. Here, DD for Windows actually is free, completely free. So as you can see here, this is the open source tool as well. So this version doesn't actually any conversion, but it has flexible copying of data under a Win32 environment. So as you can see, we will use this tool as well in our digital investigations. So actually we will use Belkasoft Live RAM capture as well. Belkasoft Live RAM capture. This is the one volatility memory acquisition tool. As you can see, we will use this program as well. So Belkasoft is a lamp capture is a tiny free forensics tool that allows to reliably extract the entire contents of a computer's volatile memory, even if protected by an active anti-debugging or anti-dumping system. So as you can see, the separate 32-bit and 64 bits is available, as Velkasov said, and we have volatility here as well. Actual volatility, volatility we don't have here. Volatility foundation here, volatility foundation here. So we have volatility framework. This is the open source memory forensics framework. Here, actually, as you can see, this is a we have GitHubs here as well. In Windows 10, we have volatility 2 and 3. Actually, this volatility program comes with SaneOS as default. So actually, I think in Kali Linux we don't have that volatility. No, we don't have volatility in Kali Linux, but in SaneOS, that is the SaneOS is a digital forensics investigations operating system. So we will install SaneOS in our virtual machine as virtual machine. So actually not in, we will install SaneOS as virtual machine. So we have memorizing here. Memory here. This is the forensics memory analysis tool here. So is a free memory forensics software that helps incident responders find evil in a live memory. Memorize can occur and or analyze memory images, and on live systems can include the paging file in its analysis. So we will have actually a bulk extractor here, bulk extractor. So bulk X, can you see my screen? Oops. Bulk extractor we have here. Actually, oops. Bulk extractor, this is the Kali Linux tool I think we have here. Yes, this is the bulk extractor tool. We will use this tool as well. Bulk extractor is a program that extracts features such as email addresses, credit card numbers, URLs, and other types of information from digital evidence files. It's useful forensics investigation tool for many tasks such as malware and intrusion investigations, identity investigation, and cyber investigation, as well as analyzing imagery and password cracking. The program provides several unusual capabilities, including, so we will introduce and we will do practical examples all of these functions. So we have another encrypted disk detector program here in disk detector here. This is the magnet forensics tool here. You can register and download this. This is the useful tool as well. So actually we have more tools to introduce, but these was the main tools that we will do practical examples, but we will do also more tools to do practical examples. But we have the digital forensics distribution as well. So these distributions are specialized Linux distribution pre-configured for digital forensics works. They contain a live operating systems, usually Linux-based, which is bootable from a CD, DVD, or USB thumb drive, and contains a plethora of tools for digital forensics. So first operating systems that I want to talk about is SaneOS. So SaneOS is a live computer forensics digital tool here. As you can see, this is the 64-bit. So SaneOS is a computer-aided investigative environment. So in SaneOS we have actually, as you can see, in SaneOS we have Windows programs as well, like FTK Imager, Hex Editor, Network, Sirnsoft, and Notepad++. This is just Notepad, but it supports the wide range of files here and text files as well. Quick hash, timeline, USB write protector, Windows file analyzer, window and other tools. So SaneOS looks like that. So we will install SaneOS in this section of our Udemy course here. Actually, we have another Linux-based investigative tools is the Deft Linux, deftlinux.net. So actually, Deft Linux here. Deft Linux, actually, this Deft Linux has changed is so this is the Deft Linux as well. Deft Linux actually not updated as SaneOS, so it's preferred to use SaneOS as your favorite digital forensics investigative operating system, because it's this Deft Linux is not updating actually almost 4 years. So it's preferred to use SaneOS just in case if you want to use another digital forensics operating system. So actually we have forensics investigative tools in Kali Linux pretty well. So as you can see here, this is the reporting tools and forensics tools here. We have forensics carving tools, scalpel. We will use all of these tools here. Guy Major is very useful tool as well here. We have autopsy. This is the best tool we will use here. We have SleuthKit. So in this category here, we have all SleuthKit tools here. We have PDF forensics tools, forensics imaging tools, and bulk extractor. So in this section, we will install these operating systems and we will learn how to use these tools. So in this course, we will, as I said earlier, we will create the practical examples of digital forensics investigating tools.